Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I have it decorated in vintage. We're gonna have some hot beverage treats and sweets. So come on with me, guys. All right, so I did decide to do the vintage theme. I absolutely love the vintage theme. When it gets warm, we get into spring and summer, I absolutely love it. So you will see me decorating for the most part in the vintage theme. So let me tell you what is on the table. But first I want to tell you what collaboration this is part of. So this video called Hot Beverage Treats and Sweets is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. I also have some co-hosts with me, and that's at home, Jennifer at home, and then I have Decorating with Jazzy Green. I have Barbie, Daily Rule Life in the Valley, and of course I said Jennifer at home. So this is going to be so fun. So let's go over here and break this down. I'm so excited. So the teapot, I believe, I'm not sure if I purchased that at Home Goods. Then we have the cups, which were from Walmart, and it matched perfectly. And we're gonna have tea, and let me show you what's inside here. And the kind of tea we're gonna be doing today is that roasted dandelion root. I absolutely love it. I usually steep it and cool it off and put it in my water with some stevia. I love it. Now we have this beautiful guy here who had a basket. So all I did was place that little floral inside of his little basket. Then we have these little bunnies. So this one is standing up. And then that one right there is laying down. This beautiful scarf, which I love to use for Mother's Day. This scarf here came from the Dollar Tree. I have several of them because I love to use them as runners. Now we have the bunny. I decorated, I should say I did the bunny fold with the little ears. Isn't that cute? So I had the bunnies in here in a previous video, so I'm just leaving it like that. So we do have this set here, which I just told you about. Now this cup, isn't this beautiful, guys? This matches perfectly. So I decided to go ahead and put that there in case we wanted some water. Then I have these utensils, but I just used a spoon today. So I bought that at Home Goods, and I decided to place that, let's break this down. I decided to place that at the top of the charger. So these plates here were thrifted items. Aren't they absolutely adorable? And then look at this. So this was a Target charger. It wound up at the Goodwill, so you know I had to thrift that. And then we have this beautiful placemat, and this came from, I want to say, Hobby Lobby. So that's how I decided to keep this this setting here. Okay, and then I placed the spoon up here. Okay, and then I have two different types of cookies. So I have these, love the Nutter Butters, guys, I can't help it. So, and then over here we have some chocolate chip and some oatmeal. We have our hot tea right there. You can use whatever hot beverage you like. I am loving this vintage tablescape. So, and I love the pink. Isn't that so adorable? This is beautiful. So the tablecloth, both of them were thrifted. Okay, the lace one and the pink one that's underneath. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. And we're gonna get ready to head on over to the reveal. I hope that you enjoyed how I decorated my table. So have an amazing day once again. God bless you.